Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use Wonder Pick in Pokemon TCG Pocket app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to open up your Pokemon TCG Pocket app and then you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, then what you're going to do, you're going to be able to, if you click on the home page in the bottom left corner by the way, so we're going to click right here and then we're going to click on Wonder Pick as you can see. So click on Wonder Pick in the bottom left corner also. And now you should be taken to this page right here. So now I'm going to explain to you exactly how to play it. As you can see in Wonder Pick, you can get one of the cards chosen randomly from a booster pack that was opened by another player. Note that the player will not lose any card as you can see. So Wonder Picks are updated at regular intervals and booster packs opened by your friends may also appear as Wonder Picks as you can see. So we will try to check it out regularly to see what's new obviously. And then as you can see, Wonder Picking requires Wonder Stamina, which recovers over time. You can reduce the time it takes until Wonder Stamina recovers by using items, which is quite great in my opinion. And as you can see, there are special kind of Wonder Picks that may appear like bonus picks and chancy picks as you can see. An expired Wonder Pick can be made available again by using a rewind watch. So in the top you should be able to see how many stamina points that you have right now, and if you scroll down in here you will be able to view the cost of every Wonder Pick right here. So as you can see, some of them are actually no cost, but this one is also one, this is two for example. So if we click on this one right here and then click on OK, we should be able to now start actually selecting our card. So as you can see, if we're really lucky, we can get the card that we want. So for example, this one. As you can see, we selected this one right here. So we got this card as you can see. So I'm going to tap to proceed. And as you can see, this is basically exactly how to do this.